Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I'm reviewing the Renpho foot massager and the Renpho eye massager. This past couple of years has really stressed me out, and I really wanted to find ways to relax at home. I researched the internet and I found Renpho. They have all kinds of amazing products and really terrific at-home spa devices. And I asked them to sponsor this video. I was really impressed with what they had to offer and their technology for both of these devices. So I'm going to tell you about them and what I love about them. I love fashion and I love all the things I do looking good with my footwear. But the thing is, some of them really hurt my feet. Today I traveled and I went on an airplane and I wore these and I got a very bad cramp in this foot. And I wanted to wear them for this video. And I'm dying for the part of this video I show you how this machine works with my feet. And that's about an everyday occurrence to me, to have achy feet. I also like to wear dresses with high-heeled fashion. I love getting dressed up and walking around downtown Santa Barbara, where I live. I also wear really high heels. I have a little nickname for these kind of shoes. They're called killers because they really kill my feet. And now that we're opening up, I'm going to be able to do that more and more. But I realize that looking good sometimes can be painful. And women have such an issue with that. And now that we're all doing more stuff, we might have those problems with our feet. These are all the reasons why I like to have a foot massage almost every day. This Renpho foot massager is designed for really easy use. Check out the control panel. It's all in one place and it has a touch feature. Let me show you. At the top of the panel, it has time, it has need intensity, it has a power button in the center to turn it on, it has air intensity, and it has heat. So turn the power on to use it. Inside where you put your feet, there's a rotation ball and a rolling stick. It has 3 types of kneading, low, medium, and high, and an air intensity and additional heat. Those are 2 extra functions that are very unusual. I hadn't seen those before. And the sleeves inside are detachable. There's a zipper. And the material inside is a detachable sleeve. So all you do is unzip it. It goes all the way around. And with Velcro, you can take it out, and here's inside out, and wash it, both sides. And this fits almost every single kind of foot size out there, including up to size 12 for men. This would make a great Father's Day present. And maybe that father will share it with you. It came to my house in a beautiful box, which is really great for gift giving. When I got it, I opened it up. It was packed very carefully. So I took all the packing out, which I was very impressed with. And then I got out the machine. The Renpho foot massager comes with a manual, so you'll know all the features. It's really easy to read. There was nothing to put together. It just comes with a cord. And so I just plugged it in to check it out. Any old extension cord will work for whatever your situation is. I like it heated and with a medium rub on my feet. Ah, there I am getting a really nice shiatsu foot massage. That's really a treat in my life. Now this day, I was also using my eye massager. The Renpho eye massager came to my house in also a very beautiful box. So this also makes a great gift for Father's Day or anyone in your family. Anybody would love this, and maybe you'll get to borrow it. So I opened the box for the eye massager, and it was packed really well. And it came with a USB cord, which is great because you can just charge it easily with a cube or your computer or anything you need. It's easy to charge. The eye massager charge will last for about 2 to 3 hours, so I don't have to charge it every day. And since I use this for about 30 minutes with my foot massager, that's about 6 times of use I get. It's a little cloudy this day, so I'm really enjoying adding the heat to it. The heating pad that's built in inside goes from a temperature of 104 to 107 degrees Fahrenheit, and there's 6 smart airbags that transfer the heat and also give it a vibration function. It has a kneading, a trigger point therapy, and an oscillating pressure and rhythmic tapping massage, which is really interesting because I can accurately get to my acupoints around my eye. That makes it so my eye massager really relaxes my eyes and all the muscles around them. And I just love the convenience of having this at my home. Any room in my house would be fine, but I wanted to show you how I enjoy it outside too. And so much of my day, the upper muscles and around my eyes hurt because I'm smiling so much. I'm hoping it's going to help with the wrinkles too. Not quite sure about that. It has a great adjustable strap, so it'll fit any head size. I really love the sleek design. One of my favorite features is that it also plays your favorite music from your phone or your tablet. It's got a Bluetooth connection. When you put your finger on the power, this is what you hear.
Care for eye health. From this moment on, air pressure plus heat.
So I don't have to have my own music. It'll have its own music. It will cycle through many modes, so you can choose the one you want. And when you turn it off, hold it for 3 seconds.
Eye protection is over. Thank you for your use.
So as I'm enjoying the outside, I can also turn on my favorite soft music to relax my day away. And the eye massager has 2 speakers, one for each ear. And if you're watching this video in June of 2021, there's a promotional code. You can get 30% off. I'm really happy with my new way of relaxing at home, and today it's outside. I'm very happy with these Renpho products, and I think you might like them too. Click the link below to get the Renpho foot massager or the Renpho eye massager. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great videos in life, especially when it comes to figuring out how to have the most relaxing time possible at home. See you next time.